C5 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Let's take a look at this one. 2004 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. And listen to this, clean Carfax. Carfax indicates no accidents, one owner, and it is an actual mile card. A little over 6,500 is all in this one. Obviously, as you can see, black exterior, tan or camel leather interior. That LS1 5.7 liter underneath the hood. Take a look at the front fascia. Obviously very clean with this low mile car. Nicely equipped, also power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Heads up display, selective ride control. Take your time looking through the still pictures of this one, folks. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures and be able to see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, the trunk. You'll also be able to see the top up, top down. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. I also want to note, it's riding on the original Goodyear Eagle radials. Yes, I understand it. Age-wise, tires are old, so the tire age police, don't get too crazy on me in the comments. Letting the next owner of this car know that, so if they want to keep it the way it is and original, they know that those are the original tires, or they can put on new tires and get the brand and size and everything that they would like. As you can see, up and down this passenger side, really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Paint shows well. Take a look at the interior again. The camel or tan leather bucket seats. 6-speed transmission, as you can see, paired up with that LS1 5.7 liter. Does have the CD changer in the trunk, AM/FM cassette head unit, dual electronic climate control. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. At the end of this video, I'll show you how to fold up the top, show you the condition of it. I'll show you it folding back down. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how this car goes down the road. If you like Corvettes, no matter what era, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, whether it be online or right off our showroom floor. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, peek at the engine bay. Of course, your modern amenities that you're going to have on a little later model Corvette with the power mirrors, power windows, power locks, power seat, both sides. And then look at the condition of the seats too. What you'd expect with a low mile, clean Carfax car. And best of all, that 6-speed. Of course, the driver's information center, selective ride control. All right, let's go ahead, fire this up, check out the exact miles. Close this door too so we don't have that showing. All right, there's your miles, 6549. Sure, we're neutral. As you can see, electronic climate control, driver and passenger, and AC does blow cold. Text noted that. AM/FM cassette player with the CD changer in the trunk. No service engine soon, check engine light, anything like that. Dash looks good. Check out under the hood, and how about headlights? Headlights working fine, no gears grinding. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Pretty stock sounding vet. See, the power antenna also works. Turning the radio on. Sounds good. Let's take a look at the engine bay. All right, hood liner, nice and clean. You can tell this car hasn't been driven in inclement weather. No surprise there. There it is, that LS1 5.7 liter, and wow, this engine bay looks like the car is practically new, but guess what do you expect with this kind of miles? No surprises under there. All right, let me go ahead and set up the tripod, show you how that convertible top folds up. We'll check out the condition of it, and remember, stick around to the very end. Jason will take this thing for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And here it is with the top up. So camel or tan colored top, fabric. And as you can see, very simple to put up manually. One person, less than a minute. Rolled up the side window so you can see how the glass fits. Fits well. Coming around to the rear, glass window, rear defogger. Again, really no wear, tears, holes, anything like that. Side glass and passenger side fits well. What you'd expect with a little over 6,500 miles in a car with a clean Carfax. There you go. At the end of the video, stick around. I'll show you it folding back up into the storage compartment. Jason's going to take it for a drive. 2004 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Also indicating a one owner actual mile car. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2004 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, and we do have the top down today. This is a 5-speed manual for more fun. This car is showing less than 6,600 miles. For 2004, that's some low miles, and this car feels like a low mile car and looks like a low mile car. All our gauges appear to be working as they should. The battery gauge is showing 14 volts. Fuel gauge, a quarter of a tank. The oil pressure is at almost 45 to 50 psi. The temperature is 190. don't know if you heard, the seat belt was catching a little bit of wind there. Factory stereo working as it should. Nice sound to that stereo. The AC is blowing cold. Cruise control working as it should. Just like a low mile Corvette. Leather bucket seats are looking good and nice and comfortable. We're in third gear going through the roundabout here. Hugs the corner as it should, nice and flat. We have a heads-up display showing our speed, our tachometer, and oil pressure. All the vitals that you want to see when you're driving hard or driving relaxed. There is a cassette player in that radio. I did not test the cassette player. Really nice condition, black on black with some tan colored carpeted seats and lower accents. 2004 Corvette. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.